Hey guys, this is Jeff from Hubie's Garage, and just wanted to share with you another 55 Chevy that's coming to the garage. Unfortunately, the main carcass, I guess you would call it, is not here with me at the shop. It's at my property out in Montana, and but I do have the front hood that came with the car and the two front fenders. Do have some spare parts. What this is it's a 55 210 four-door sedan, and this was a car that came with the Del Rey that I bought in Montana. It was a package deal. Apparently the four-door was used potentially to be used as a parts car, and apparently the owner had a lot of cars. He needed to thin out the herd, and the only way you can get the great deal on the two-door 210 was if you took the four-door with it. Wasn't real interested in the four-door, but I've had a chance to look at it in pictures and look at it in person for about 10 or 15 minutes, maybe more like 10 minutes, and haven't really had a chance to crawl under it or do anything. It was in the snow, partially covered. It was at a storage yard in Montana, but we ended up bringing the hood home, the fenders, because we couldn't put them in the car. The car was blocked by campers and stuff at the storage yard, so ended up having to bring these parts home with the Del Rey that I brought home, and I'll be doing a walkthrough of the Del Rey here shortly. But this is the fifth 55 to the garage, and it will be a kind of a back burner car. It's going to be a car that's probably going to have a lot of content on the channel. It's going to have a lot of footage of doing metal repair. It's definitely going to need some floor work, door sills, stuff like that. The one thing that all these years that I've worked on these cars, I haven't done any welding. Got less than an hour of welding time. So I'm going to use this car as a blank canvas, a car that I'm going to learn all that stuff, and I'm going to share it on the channel. So it's not really any emotional ties to the four-door, so if it looks like the work of a fifth grader, I'll either roll with it or tear it apart and do it over, and do it the right way, learn it, learn from my mistakes, that kind of stuff. So anyway, let's show you a little closer here. All right, well, here's some of the closer parts. This parts that came with the car. Got a 210 fender, looks like original Neptune green there. I got a real nice hood. It's real straight. All the usual spots look pretty good on it. Got a few colors on it. It looks like maybe an original glacier blue, and then somebody painted a skyline blue or something of that. And here's the other fender, the other 210 fender. Another skyline blue, original. Good condition, not too bad. Actually, this looks like it's been brushed on with a roller. And then here's the back end of the Neptune green. But again, everything's in good shape. The trouble spots on these, they look pretty good. But this is all I got of the car. I'll share the Cowl tag a little bit, because I do have a picture of the Cowl tag. But this is going to be a car that I'm going to learn a lot on, and actually kind of excited about it. I wasn't excited about it at the beginning, but now that I have the car and the ideas have been brewing, I'm pretty happy with what lies ahead with it, with all the work that normally I'd farmed out before, had somebody else do, but I'm going to learn on this one myself. So, all right.